Hi, this is Lavonne in Lavonne's Kitchen, and today we are giving tips on using a serrated knife. So, I think I have 5 tips for you today. 1, use a gentle sawing motion. Instead of pressing down hard, use a gentle sawing motion to cut through the food without crushing it. 2, start at the edge. Begin your cut at the outer edge of the food item, allowing the serrations to grip and guide it through. 3, let the knife do the work for you. Don't apply excessive force. Let the serrated edges do the cutting. This prevents squishing softer items like bread or tomatoes. 4, use a stable surface. Always cut on a sturdy cutting board to maintain control and safety while slicing. And 5, choose the right food. Use serrated knives on foods that have tough exteriors and soft interiors, such as crusty bread, ripe tomatoes, citrus fruits, or cakes. Remember, a serrated knife is ideal for foods where a clean, precise cut is needed without flattening or damaging the contents. Thank you and enjoy your tip.